Yeah. Hello guys, hello my G's. Welcome. It's me, your boy Dan Junior. Effects. Yeah, welcome guys. I'm in my studio. So these are GJ. Let's try together GJ and then let's see how it will be. Okay. Okay, nice one. Let me share these with my friends. Welcome my good people. Let's try together. Welcome guys. It's me, your boy Dan Junior FX. Let's try together. Today we are trading GJ. Okay. So let's try together. Let's try GJ and then let's make something good. Don't worry, I'm just inside my studio. Okay. Hebu usiniangalie light ingine ka inafanya. Switch the other light, okay? Just switch the other light. Welcome, and today we are trading live GJ guys. So let's be patient and let's see how it should be, my good people. Okay, today is MFP. Remember we have hi, how are you, Leah? Hope you are doing well. I'm good. What about you, Leah? So let's try together, Leah, and then let's make something. Okay, let's make something good. Leah, can you hear me well? Leah, can you hear me? Or hear some echo? If you can hear me well, yeah, just tell me you can hear me, okay? Can you hear me, Leah? I don't know if I can go live on TikTok. Let me see. Guys, can you hear me, guys? We're sharing live. If you can hear me, just say hi, okay? Can you hear me? Nice one. GJ entry point and stop loss. I will show you right now, don't worry. Okay. You can also invite your friends to come live. Let's trade together. Okay, let's trade right now. I just locked myself, I and my directors inside our studio. Today we are trading from our studio. Okay, so let's see how it should be. Yeah, loud and clear. Nice one. If you can hear me well, that's good. Yeah, so let me analyze with you on GJ. As I told you today, we have different news, so we might see something like this one consolidating. We might see candlestick move up, move down, something like that. Okay, but I think it can't affect GJ. Okay, of course it can't affect GJ, maybe on US and gold. Okay, so take care for those who are trading gold, and remember I share with you this setup morning. Okay, and it's a clear setup. And remember guys, it's sad because on yesterday we lose this good beautiful opportunity. We sell from somewhere, so our stop loss it will be somewhere here. Okay, let me mark for you a good entry, a better stop loss. So I'm sorry, I don't know what's wrong with this one. Let me put it like this one. Yeah, so our stop loss will be here, but let's watch and then we'll enter to the trade without any fear. Okay, so you can also request anything you want and I will do for you a setup right now. Okay, request anything and I will do for you a good setup. Okay, apart from GJ, and as we say, today we are focusing on GJ, and almost 4 minutes remaining to the news. As I told you, okay, it's almost 4 minutes remaining and I will trade live right now. Okay, we can also trade after news, don't worry about that. You can also trade after news. Let's see how it will be. Just be patient. Okay, don't rush, be patient, watch. And today is the day, so let's see how it should be. Almost 3 minutes remaining guys to the news. So as I told you, just be patient, don't have hurry. Let's see how it should be. Okay, so let me shift to gold for those who trade gold. This is gold, as you see. Okay, so as you see, gold is consolidating around this area. So the good things, gold has already this price has already break this higher high, if you can see. Okay, has already crossed equal high in 1 hour time frame. So let's mark together for those who trade gold. Let's mark together. Nice one. So it has already break this equal high. So and again, as you see, move up and again form another break here above this equal high. Nice one. So and then down here, there's a lower higher low. I mean, there's a higher low. Okay, so let me remove this one so that you can get me well. Okay, nice one. Okay, so what I'm expecting today on gold, I'm expecting a buy. Okay, so as you see, there's a demand zone here. It came to this demand zone, but it should supposed to move up. As you see, these are beautiful demand zone down here, but did not sweep any liquidity. Did not sweep any liquidity around this area. Okay, so I'm expecting at least to sweep liquidity. Let me mark something. Let me shift to 4 hours time frame first. Let me shift to 4 hours time frame. Okay, so today I'm expecting at least to move up to this area on gold for those who are trading gold up to this point. Okay, so my target will be here and then we'll continue moving to the moon. There's a message here. Let me see this message. That's my expectation. Okay, let me see this message. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Let's fly, guys. 1 minute remaining. Let me see on how many seconds remaining. Not 1 minute, just seconds, guys. Oh my god. Let's see how many seconds remaining. 9 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Boom. Let's see how it will be. It is pending. Let's see how it will be. Oh my god, it's moving down. Oh my god, as I told you, let's see how it will be. Let me see on GJ. Nice one. Let me shift to 1 now. As you see, it's moving to our entry. Nice one. Almost to our entry. Let's see how it will be. Nice one. It has already touched our entry. Just be patient. It's moving down. It's already touched. As I told you, there must be a spike in the market. Let's see how it should be, guys. It's almost in our entry. Let's see how it will be. Just be patient. Okay. Oh my god, non-farm payroll 147k, then unemployment rates 4.1%, then unemployment claim is 233k. Oh my god, let me see. Forecast was 240, but right now it's 233. Okay, and unemployment was 110. That was forecast. Now is 147. So we are moving to the moon. Still average hour is pending. Let's see, it is still pending. Average hours is still pending. Okay, it's still pending. Let's see how it should be. So now farm payroll from 144k to 147k. So there's an increase. Okay, there's an increase of like 30g. Yeah, because before previous was 144 and right now is 147. So there's an increase. Okay, when there's an increase, um So I think we'll sell. Okay, automatically we'll sell. So let's see, let's watch. Don't have hurry, I'm not in. Okay, I was just waiting at least to add this price to reach our zone, and it has already reached our zone. So let's see how it will be. So don't have hurry. Can you shoot for me that light? I'm not clear that they had number 2 or camera number 2. Okay, so okay, nice. Okay, let's see how it will be. Okay, let me shift to gold. Let's see gold. How is gold doing? Because there's an increase, so you'll see US will be, let's see, gold is moving down. So it might come to this area, but let's see how it will be. As I told you, at 5 we have another news again. We have PMI news at 5. Okay, so USD is buying. USD is buying also. Nice one. It's buying. I think this was yesterday target. As I told you, it has already increased. So there's an increase. Imagine 144 to 147. Let me remove yesterday's setup. This was yesterday's setup on USD JPY. It's flying, guys. So let's see how it will be. It's flying. This is a USD JPY. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's flying. So there's an increase. 144 to 147. Yes, the JPY is flying to the moon. What about Euro? Euro USD is actually moving to our area, as you see. It's almost moving to our setup. Okay, it has already touched our setup. So as you see, it was consolidating. So let's see how it will be. Okay. It has already touched our area, so let's see how it will be. Just be patient, don't rush. Okay, okay, PDF. Okay, go to file on Telegram. Let's see how it will be. Let's see how it will be. Just be patient. We are just watching, guys. I'm not in. I think there's someone who told me. I think it was Steve. Okay, Steve. Let me see. Steven or not Steven? Yeah, it was Astro. Okay, Astro. He told me I've seen potential sell. Have you already confirmed on Euro USD? Yeah, Astro. He told me that Euro USD will sell automatically. It has already sell. I wish we could enter our sell from somewhere, then we target this area, but it's okay. Today is a news. Well and fine. So let's look for our opportunity. Just be patient. Don't have a hurry. G almost moving down. I think it is moving to our area. Okay, yeah, it's moving to our area, as you see. Where is GJ? Nice one. So let's move to lower time frame. Let's move to lower time frame. 15 minutes. Nice one. So still candlestick did not close. So in 15 minutes, we're expecting a liquidity. We're expecting a liquidity above here. Okay. So let me remove this yesterday's setup. This was yesterday's setup. So I'm expecting a liquidity above here. And then we enter to the market without any fear. Okay. So let's see how it will be, because it's almost inside here. So I'm expecting at least a liquidity somewhere here. Then we enter to the market without any fear, guys. Okay. Okay, nice one. Is there okay. So it's almost our area. As you see, this was a beautiful order block in fast time frame. As you see, for those who don't know how to master order block, don't worry. Today I will share with you. Remember, today also we have a session. Okay, so in fast time frame, this is an order block, a clear order block, and price has already mitigated this order block. So we are looking opportunity for a sale, as you know. So yeah, these are beautiful order block. As you see, price has already come to this order block, so we look opportunity to drop. Okay, these are order blocks, so we are looking opportunity for a drop. Okay, so just be patient, don't have hurry. Then our target will be equal low. So in this case, this will be our new equal low. Okay, yeah, so we'll target this new equal low down here. Okay, this will be our target equal low. It's a clear setup, guys. As you see, it's a clear setup, guys. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to be just patient, don't have hurry, and then we drop as actually we drop, guys. Okay, we drop. Although yesterday was not my day, imagine. Let me see how much did I lost. Let me confirm how much did I lost yesterday. Okay, let me see how much I lost yesterday. There's my MT5. Hey, here's my balance. Here's my balance yesterday. Eee, almost 15k. 15 or how much? That I think like 14. So these are 631, 430, 199. Hey, almost 14. Almost 14, guys. I lost almost 14. That's a lot of money. It's like almost to 130k, something like that. Yesterday I lost 130k on goal, imagine, after 30 minutes. So sometime to be patient is very very important. Okay, so let me show you something, guys. Let me show you something. Okay, for those who don't understand, let me show you something. A simple just simple things. Okay, a simple definition of order block. Let me show you something. Yesterday, okay, let me shift to gold first. Okay, no, this is gold. No, yesterday the reason why, hey, gold is moving down, so this will be our lower low. So it has already supplicated down here. So let's see how it will be. So don't have worry. As you see, the reason why I told you gold will might move up is that, as you see, it has already filled. There's a gap here. It has already filled this gap. Okay, so it has already crossed lower high, which shows us that this price very soon will move up because it has already swept this. Then we might see coming down here, then boom, we target equal high. Okay, actually that's my expectation on gold. Okay, that's my expectation on gold actually. And then let me show you the reason why, the mistake that we did yesterday, not we, the mistake I myself yesterday. Let me show you the mistake that I did yesterday. Let me show you right now. 14k USD, not 14k Billy, it's 1.4k, 1,400 USD. Okay, so it's almost, let me see, 1,400. I lost 1,400 USD yesterday. Let me see. So 1,000, no, 1,400 USD. Oh my god, 180g, almost 180g I lost yesterday, almost 180g. I lost yesterday. Well, I'm fine. Well, I'm fine. No problem about that. We are a trader. We should expect anything. So the mistake that I make yesterday, let me show you. Okay. So after I saw it has already break here, as I told you, I wanted to sell. That was my reason. As I told you, I wanted to target somewhere there. Then I moved to 1 hour time frame. Okay, after moving to 1 hour time frame, I think I entered a sale from somewhere here, if I'm not wrong. I think from somewhere. Let me remove this one, then let me remove this one first, then I'll tell you where I entered a sale. Okay, I think I entered a sale from somewhere here, if I'm not wrong, on gold. Somewhere here, I think somewhere, yeah, somewhere here. I entered a sale somewhere here. These are wrong position. Somewhere here. Okay, then I think I put my stop loss above here. Then I targeted down here. Then price make me happy. Then boom, reverse, hit my stop loss. Then I lost 180 Kenya shillings. Okay, so I think that was a mistake that I make yesterday. No, the reason why yesterday I said, let me show you. Okay, you know, sometimes we don't see anything. Okay, sometimes we make a mistake. Don't worry guys, don't worry about this move. Okay, it might cut. As I told you, today we have more news, another news remaining. At 5 we have another news. So right now, don't panic, it might again continue moving up. Okay, something like that. So don't panic, just watch. Okay, so yesterday the reason why I entered a sale is that, as you see, it breaks lower somewhere here. Okay, then after breaking, I'm sorry, let me put somewhere here. I'm sorry guys for that. I'm so sorry. After breaking, it move up. Okay, and again continue moving down. Okay, so but did not cross this equal low. Okay, in 50 minutes. So it swept liquidity. After sweeping liquidity, some above here, as you see, it has already swept liquidity above this lower high. And then after sweeping liquidity, automatically I knew that it will move to the hell. Then I entered a sale from somewhere. Guess what? Price came, swept my TP, started moving up. That's how I lost yesterday trade. Okay, but don't worry. As I told you, as a trader, we expect anything. Okay, so that's the mistake I make yesterday. So I think I've already learned my mistake, so I will not do that. And also Rachel, she lost yesterday. She shared with me trading. She told me, no, Dan, yesterday I lost this and this. Let me confirm how much she lost yesterday. Rachel. Where is Rachel? She sent me yesterday. Yeah, she's here. Where she is? It has already disappeared. Message has already disappeared. Okay, so let me show you other thing. Okay, that you don't know. Okay, let me show you other thing that you don't know. I want to share with you something which you don't know. Okay, so as you see, it's moving up, so don't worry about that. Just be patient. As I told you, are waiting just a liquidity somewhere here, then we move. Okay, remember, price move with the liquidity, so we are waiting a buy side liquidity and then we move to the L. The other reason why I told you that it will move to the L is that, as you see, it has already break this equal low. So it has already break this equal low. So I'm expecting price to swap liquidity above this equal, lower high, and then we move to the L. Okay, so let me start with the day one. I want to show you something. So as you see in day one, DJ is consolidating. Okay, DJ is consolidating. Let me use this one, this clear chart. I think this is the clear chart, so let me remove everything in this clear chart so that you can understand me. Okay, so as actually it is consolidating. Okay, as you see, it is consolidating for a while. Okay, so you know the reason why I love GJ. When you trade GJ, you can lose that a lot of money. Okay, so this is the because of news. So I'm expecting at least, as you see, it has already touched here. This was our supply zone, so it has already touched this supply zone in day one. This is day one supply zone. That's how I marked yesterday. By day I targeted somewhere here, and then it is consolidating. So which means that let me show you something. It was consolidating around somewhere here. This imagine since 2023. Okay, and then down here we have support. Okay, so what I'm expecting very soon something like this. That's my expectation. Okay, so I think if I'll enter a good sell from here, I'll try to hold up to somewhere here, up to somewhere. I'll hold up to somewhere here. I think no, where's our equal low? Yeah, if we'll get a good entry, I can even hold up to somewhere here. But if this price decide to break our support area, automatically we'll know that very soon it will move to the moon. If it will break here and then do something like this one, automatically I'll know it will move to the moon. Remember, we have another target here. So my second target, it will be somewhere here around 208. I'm expecting one day, maybe in future, maybe even 2028 or even 2025, we don't know which day, or even 2030, I'm expecting at least to continue moving up around 208.1 or 6. That's my expectation. Okay, nice one. So let me move to lower time frame, first time frame. So let me remove these. I want to show you something. I want to show you how to trade, okay, without any fear. So if you move to lower time frame as a first time frame, as you see, price has already swept liquidity somewhere here. Okay, I think somewhere here, not here, somewhere here. This was our, in 1 hour it has already swept liquidity somewhere here. This was our equal high. So let me move to this one. Okay, it has already swept liquidity somewhere, as you see. Okay, so after that, move down again, break here, and this was a flip zone. Okay, and then break another equal low. So I'm expecting to continue moving down. So in 4 hours time frame, this will be our demand zone. Let's mark our demand zone in 4 hours time frame. So this will be our demand zone. That's why I told you, if I'll get a good entry, I will hold up to here. If I'll get a good entry up to somewhere here. Okay, yeah, so that's my expectation on GJ. Let's see how it will be. For those who don't know liquidity, as I told you guys, just go to my my channel and then watch trading video like liquidity. For those who don't know how to master liquidity, just go there and watch liquidity. I think you'll learn more about liquidity. Okay, let me show you another thing. I want to show you something. Let me open something. I want to show you something. Okay, let me show you something first. Okay, I want to show you something important. Okay, so for those who don't understand liquidity, let me at least repeat about liquidity. Okay, let me at least again repeat about liquidity for the sake of, for those who don't understand about liquidity, about the concept of liquidity. Okay, let me repeat about liquidity. so that at least you can understand the meaning of liquidity and how to spot liquidity and how to trade like a smart money trader. Okay, it's very simple, it's very easy, it's not hard. You just need a time, everything is progress, don't worry, one day you'll be a pro. Okay, so let me start with a simple definition of the word liquidity. What is liquidity? Okay, liquidity, this is the money in the market, orders waiting to be activated. Okay, and then as I told you before, this is where we put our stop losses. Okay, and also it is where a big institutional like bank or hedge funds, they enter their trades and they also manipulate we as retail traders. Okay, and then when we put our stop loss, they just set us a trap and then they come and then they hit our stop loss and then price continue moving to our direction, as you know. Okay, so let me use this example of a bullish. Let me use this good example of a bullish. Don't worry guys, just be patient. Hello Rachel, how are you Rachel? Hope today you are doing well. Hope today you are doing well Rachel. I'm just waiting price to swap liquidity, then we enter to the trade. Okay, so hope today Rachel you are doing well. So we are trading today on GJ. Okay, we are trading GJ live today, so don't panic. Okay, so let me show you something again. Let me show you. In this case, as you see, this price market structure is bullish, as you see. Okay, and then it came, it break equal high, then it started moving down. Then you mark your beautiful order block. Okay, there's a two types of marking order block. Okay, you can also mark your order block from here where it's break. Okay, you can also mark from here, or but my best marking of order block is like this one. Okay, then you wait your price to come to your area and then you confirm by break of lower high. Then after you see it has already break lower high, you wait your price to sweep the liquidity or to grab liquidity below this equal low. After that, you confirm with a change of character. You marked you move to the 50 minutes, you mark your demand zone, then you wait your price to come to your demand zone, then you enter to the trade. Same to this trade, market structure is a bearish, then you wait institutional, these are buy side liquidity. Okay, you wait institutional to push your price to come to your area, and then you spot liquidity. Then after that, you confirm by change of character and then you enter to the market. It's easy as that, it's not hard. Okay, it's not hard. So let's see how price is doing. Let's see how price is doing, guys. I think price is still moving down, so let's wait. So let's have patience, don't have hurry. So let me shift to 50 minutes. I think in 50 minutes it's starting moving down, but mostly I see it should come somewhere here. That's my expectation. Okay, yeah, that's my expectation, and then we enter for long without any fear. Okay, this gold for those who trade gold long position from somewhere. I think I will share with my friends. Yeah, that's my expectation. But today, as I told you guys, we are only trading GJ. Oh my god, GJ is almost our area. Okay, it's almost our area. So I'm just waiting to swap liquidity. I'm just waiting GJ to swap liquidity above here, and then we enter to the trade. How can we trade MFP news time? You want me to show you how to analyze MFP or how to read MFP? Jesse, you want me to show you how to read MFP? Okay, I will show you. Don't worry, I'll show you in a few minutes. Okay, so I'm just waiting price to save the kitty above here. So I think we enter ourselves from somewhere. Yeah, from somewhere after sweeping our liquidity. Okay, so I'm just waiting to sweep liquidity above here, then we enter to the trade without any fear, guys. Okay, let me try, let me see if I can share. Let me first open, let me see if I can share. Okay, let me see if I can share this, and then I will show you. Okay, okay, let me show you now. Nice one. For those who don't know how to read MFP, let me show you. Okay, it's very simple, guys. It's not hard, very simple. Let me show you how to read. Okay, so just be patient and I will show you everything. Okay, the US employment situation June 2025, 27 minutes. This from BLS government. Total non-farm payroll employment increased by 147k in June, and the unemployment rate changed title at 4.1%. Wow. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics reported today job gains occurred in state governments and healthcare. Federal government continue to lose jobs. This news release present statistics from 2-month survey. The household survey measure labor for, oh my god, these are sad. Okay, so for this one, as you see, guys, for example, these are non-farm payroll. I want to show you how to read a news. Okay, let me show you how. I think you can see, guys. Can you see? I think it is clear, or do you want me to zoom? Okay, if you can see, I can even zoom so that you can see well. I think now you can see, guys. I think I've already zoomed so you can see well. Okay, let me show you how to read. If you can't see, just DM me, just tell me, you know, Dan, we can't see. Okay, okay, nice one. So as you see, guys, this was the non-farm payroll. I want to show you how to read. Okay, so this side is a previous. Okay, 144 was a previous, but forecast was 110k. Okay, which means that it will be increase. I mean, it will be decrease. Okay, when there will be a decrease, uh, there will be a when there will be a decrease, there will be a strong. Okay, USD will have a strong. Okay, as you see, it has already moved. It has already moved up. Same case here. This was unemployment rate. Okay, so before was 4.2%, and then forecast of is 4.3%, which means that according to me, because today, you know, there's a 3 news today. So according to me, these are 4.3%. Previous was 4.2%. Which means that there's an increase. When there's an increase, there will be a decrease. Of course, guys, as you see, these are 4.1%. There's a decrease. It's just an opposite. For example, in this case, as you see here, previous was 144k, but forecast was 111k, which means that there is a decrease. Okay, between 144k to 111, there's a gap, there's a decrease. So when there's a decrease, USD will gain. Okay, I think you can understand me, guys. Okay, when there's a decrease, USD will gain. Okay, but when there's an increase, USD will lose. Okay, there will be a decrease. Okay, let me show you this example. For example, we have news at 5. It's about PMI. Okay, so previous was 49.9%. Okay, this out 49.9%, and then forecast is 50.8%, which means that there will be an increase. When there will be an increase, USD will drop. Okay, so we're expecting again at 5 USD to move down. Okay, it's easy and it's simple as that. Okay, So let me again share with you something. Let me share with you if you don't know how to read this MFP news, let me again share with you another site. Okay, let me share with you another site. Let me move down and then I want to show you another site. Yeah, this is called my forex book. It's very simple for those who don't understand. This is my forex book. And then let's go to economic calendar. Let me continue. Okay, where is economic calendar? Okay, nice one. So if you don't know how to read, this is MFP according to this site called my forex book. Okay, so according to them, non-farm payroll private on June previous was 137k as you see, but forecast I think forecast was 105k, but it reduced to 74k. You can also click here and then you can read this statement. Okay, they say general government employee, private household employees, and employees of non-profit organizations that provide assistance to individuals are excluded from the calculation of private non-farm payrolls in the United States, which measures the change in the total number of payments in any company. The higher than expected figure. See guys, the higher, let me zoom for you so that you can see it. Nice one. A higher than expected figure should be seen as a positive, that's bullish for the USD. When a lower than expected figure should be seen as a negative, that's bearish. As you see, we have already seen there's a bullish in USD. Okay, you can also read this one if you don't understand about MFP. It's simple, it's easy. Okay, so for example, let's see another news. 40 minutes from now. Okay, it's 40 minutes from now as you see. So let's see this news. I think it was this one, PMI. Yeah, let's see about PMI. Nice one. So they said I had an expected figure should be seen as a bullish for the USD, when a lower than expected figure should be seen as a bearish. So we might see something like consolidating, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so that was what about this first one. I think it's I'm looking for this one. An expected figure should be seen as a positive bullish for the USD. Okay, okay, so let's see another site. Okay, it's called investment.com. It's called investment.com. This one. Okay, it's very easy guys. It's called investment.com. It's also best. Let's see investment.com. It's loading. Where's economic calendar? This is economic calendar. You can also sign in. Okay, before that let's see this one also. So they say that US economy adds 147k jobs in the June, more than expected. So there's an increase. So actually price will continue moving up. Okay, so the US economy added more jobs than anticipated in June, in a sign of ongoing resilience in the labor market despite recent concern over the impact of sweeping tariff. Non-farm payroll last month was to rise to 147 from upward reverse from 144. Okay, let me open economic calendar now. Let's see economic calendar together guys. Okay, okay, investment.com. Okay, and then economic calendar. I think it's loading. Let's see how it will be. Nice one. Today is Thursday, as I told you. So where is the economic calendar? Okay. So these are, when you see these stars, okay. When you see these stars, which means that there's a news, okay. When you see those stars, okay. So let me zoom for you so that you can see well. I think it's very clear. These are other sites called investment.com. This was my farm payroll. It rose to 140k. But for me, the best site is investment.com and my factory, my forex factory. Those two are my best. Okay, so you can use those two to analyze uh, the news. Okay, so where is another star? There's a full star here. I think these are already done. There's another news. There's another star here. 36 minutes remaining. Okay, so let's click this one. Let's see how it will be. It's loading. Yeah, nice one. So let me show you. These are PMI. Okay, purchasing manager index, for those who don't know. So there's a buy forecast 52.9, previous 53.7. The service, let me the service PMI releases is published monthly by Market Economics. The data are based on surveys of over 400 executives in private sector services companies. The surveys cover the transport and communication, financial intermediaries, business and person services, computing and IT, hotels and restaurants. An index level of 50 denotes no change since the previous month, while a level above 50 signal are improvement and below 50 indicators are deterioration. A reading that is stronger than forecast is generally supposed then bullish for the USD. So it means that again we might see USD to move to the moon. Okay, so let's see how it will be. Just be patient, don't rush guys. Remember, next week is also another day to trade, so don't rush, just be patient. Okay, as a trader you should be patient. Okay, let me back to trading view. Let me back to trading view. Let's see how things is doing. As you see, it has already supplicated, so let's be patient because we have another news, as I told you, from 5. So just be patient. Let's see how it will be. Okay, don't have hurry guys, don't have hurry. From 5, I think, yeah, it was 5 p.m. We can't hear you. Oh my god, what about now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? You say that you can't hear me. Why you can't hear me, Rachel? Can you hear me now? Let me let me see. Can you hear me now, please? Can you hear me? And I explain well. Guys, can you hear me? Can you hear me, guys? If you can hear me, just say hi. Okay. Nice one. I think you can hear me well. Nice one. Good. Good. Catherine, I've already confirmed that you can hear me well. Hi, how are you? How you doing? Hope you are doing well. Hope you are okay. Hope you are doing great. So let me move to other thing. So where is gold? This is gold. I'm expecting gold to continue moving down. So for today, let me be patient. I'll be patient, guys. Patient, pay. So don't rush. Okay? Don't rush. Don't rush. Okay, let's see something. Okay. So I want to show you something. Okay, let me move to the first time frame. I want to show you another thing, guys. So as you see, this candlestick has already closed in bearish, okay, and it has strong momentum. So can we be patient, guys? Can we wait to move to this area and then we buy? And even in GJ, where is GJ? Same to GJ. Can we be patient, guys? As you see, these candlesticks are already closed. Can we be patient to wait to save more liquidity to look for a confirmation? So let's be patient, okay? Patient is very important, okay? Tomorrow is a yeah, of course, tomorrow is a bank holiday in the US, so tomorrow you'll not trade, but you can also trade currency like euro, okay? Yeah, currency like euro, but not USD, okay? Like gold. You can trade, but it will be slow. You can trade, but they will be slow. Okay, so let's wait, because as you see, it's moving down. So let's wait, let's be patient, especially on gold. Let me show you something on gold. So this is my swing low and this is my swing high. Okay, so if I can put my Fibonacci somewhere here. Of course, so I'm expecting to move down around this 38. Hope you can see 38.20. So I'm expecting a buy from here, exactly from here. Okay, exactly from here. 38 point what? So, yeah, somewhere here. 38.20 or somewhere here. So still we are okay. So let's be patient, don't rush, don't chase. For me, that's the most that will be advice to you. Can you check gold? Yeah, this is the gold. I'm checking gold. Cuddling Kim Naman. Let's be patient. So patient pay. Remember, patience is important. So as a trader, you should be patient. So 50 minutes remaining, guys. So let's see what will happen. 50 minutes remaining to the news. Okay, not 50 minutes. Oh my god, I think 35 minutes. Yeah, so that my 35 minutes remain to the news. So let's see how it will be. So don't worry, I will share with you everything. Okay, if you'll get a good entry, I'll share with you everything. So I'm expecting at least this price to come around 38.2%, then we enter for a buy. So by remember, also next week we have a news. Let me see, I think next week we should have a CPI. Yeah, we should have CPI news from next week. Let me confirm. Next week, where's next week? It's loading. Okay, of course next week we have a lot of news, guys. Then there'll be a ballet speak on that will be on Saturday. Okay, Wednesday we have CPI news. Fork meeting on Wednesday. We have fork meeting also at 9 a.m. and then Thursday we have as usual we have unemployment news on Thursday. Let's see this one. On Friday we have two news, and again, yeah. So next week part one, I think from next week part one we have CPI news. Okay, next week part one, not this week. Next week it will be next week part one. Okay, so we'll have CPI news. It should be important. You are audible. You can't hear me. Oh my god, I don't know why you can't hear me. So I will use my mic. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? I don't know why you can't hear me. Can you connect? So you connect your mic. Wanasema wanisikii hiyo mic ingine. Tutachukua hiyo mic ni connect. Can you hear me now? Okay. Can you hear me? Just confirm for me, guys, if you can hear me. Just confirm for me. Can you hear me now? Just confirm, guys, if you can hear me. Anyone to confirm for me, guys? Okay, nice one. Okay. So let's see how it will be, guys. Just be patient. Remember, patient pay. Okay. So thank you very much, guys. I appreciate a lot. Okay. Thank you, the like of Leah. Okay. Music Cash, Rachel, Blady, Jesse, Cadlin. Thank you very much, guys, for your support, for supporting my live session, and God bless you. Don't worry, I'll send you when I will get a good entry. I appreciate for that. Thank you very much. Thank you again and again. Okay, thank you again and again. I appreciate for the love you showed me since I started this session. Okay, I remember also today we have our usual session on Telegram at 8:30. I'll share with you everything in details. So thank you very much, guys, for your support. Bye bye, and see you today at 8:30 East Africa time. Otherwise, I appreciate for your kind and for the love you show me. For those who trade gold, as I told you, just be patient. Don't have a hurry. Just wait to come to this area. Okay, to come here, and then boom, you enter for your buy. Okay, so on GJ, for now on GJ, I'm out. So I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting for confirmation on GJ. So let's enter faster. Okay. So I'm just waiting at least to save my liquidity, then I enter for a sale. Okay, so otherwise, again and again, thank you very much, guys. And remember, guys, don't miss today's session at 8:30 a.m. okay, and again, the like of music, the like of Leah, Rachel, Blendy, Jesse, all of you guys, cuddling, all of you guys, I appreciate for your kind, and again. So let's trade together, let's trade without any panic. As I told you, don't have fear, don't panic. Okay, trade like a smart money trader. Okay, that will be my advice to you guys. Don't fear anything. If you will fear, you will not make this game. But if you will be zero fear, you will make something. You will see progress on yourself. So thank you very much for those who believe me since day one. I appreciate again and again. So otherwise, bye bye. See you later.